How to fix you need official WhatsApp to log in problem. If you are getting the error whenever you try to log into WhatsApp that says you need official WhatsApp to log in, there could be a couple of things. The first is if you are using the modified version of WhatsApp. So whenever you're using modified version like GB WhatsApp or secret WhatsApp and so on, it could get that issue. The second thing is if you have actually went ahead and then taken an action with your phone's security permissions, like maybe you have unlocked the bootloader for your phone. In that case, WhatsApp will not be able to function properly, or maybe you have rooted your phone, which is especially on Android, this happens not on iPhones, and maybe you've installed another software or tanked software. So make sure you're using the official software. Check if your software has an update by going to its settings, going to software update, and just update it to the latest version. Then after you've done that, also you can go to your Play Store. Then once you open your Play Store, tap on the profile icon, go to settings, go to about, and make sure that your device is certified over here. If it is not certified, you will not be able to fix that. You can also try to update your Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp, but most of the times it's just because you're using modded WhatsApp or modded softwares. So I hope the video helps you understand it and fix it as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.